skills with Phil is probably the best rider I've ever ridden with. He professionally raced downhill, and I truly believe he is a magician on a bike. He hops when there is nothing. His time stops in the air. He does things I cannot comprehend.
Sick.
So when I get the chance to ride with such a great rider, I should try to get 1 or 2 of his tips. If the timing is right.
Oh, I hope I can use my hand.
All right, jump start.
Somehow, when we ride with Phil, it's always cold.
I'm a bit stiff in the air.
But today, it was not only cold.
Ooh, a bit windy there. Yeah, there's one open area and
it was one of these straights, I feel.
yeah, that too. Man, I hear so much wind, but I'm not sure it's actually windy. Oh, that's a new feature.
I completely forgot that they put in that wooden lip at the end.
Yeah, that's totally new. I've never seen that before.
But having a problem might be a great opportunity.
I would like to know your advice for jumping in the wind.
Don't.
Okay.
Let's do some tech first.
I was telling Yuka my favorite trail that was ridden. Rusty. Oh, big guy. Surepari.
Man, that trail is actually riding really good.
It's very rocky.
Haley, you're totally right.
It's so good.
Yeah, that trail's so much better than it used to be.
Oh, it's so good. Let's go.
I wanted to go as well.
Let's go.
Yeah, we can do that together. Yeah, let's do that.
Phil and his wife Heidi seems to like riding technical trails.
You hit it. Oh, this trail is wide. Holy.
In this next section, there's like a super small little.
Drop on the right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't do it.
We don't do small ones, yeah?
Oh, God. Ooh. There's a rock here.
I think small features tend to be more technical. So we came here.
Cable trail.
Is that the drop we're talking about?
Are you guys hitting the drop?
I don't know. That's why I want to see.
Yeah.
Have you hit?
I don't know. Trying to decide if I want to hit it alone or wait, find someone to tell me.
Oh yeah. It's quite big, isn't it?
I would say for this height drop, the landing is really close to. It doesn't look it, but the landing is pretty close to the lip. Yeah.
No, I can see that. It's so close.
This is a blue trail?
This the rest of it, like.
Is it black?
It's a BC blue.
BC blue.
No, not even blue. It's a black
No blue
or
trail
double
on
black,
BC
no?
on it. Can you do it with no pop?
I rarely ever pop off drops.
Okay.
Good.
This is a super slow, technical, probably double black drop in BC. Only Phil can get it right on the first shot.
That was perfect. But that's Phil.
That was super cruisy.
It's not really encouraging, like.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky when Phil does it. You want to tow me?
I'll throw you in, yeah.
Sweet. I don't know. Hello. Now a crowd is gathered.
I know. That's how it happens here.
Yeah.
You good?
Sure.
Let's go!
Ah, no. Yeah, it spooks me. It's so blind. Yeah.
It is.
I can try again, but there's a lot of people here.
But having many riders might be an advantage right now. I guess everyone overshot that time.
Was that a lady in the second?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Looked like it.
I feel encouraged, especially when a lady is sending it.
Feeling good?
What do you think? Is it no pedal or?
So we'll start the rock over there, kind of
Yeah.
gather some speed, but it's gonna feel slow.
Yeah.
It'll feel like we're like going too slow.
Yeah.
It really feels like that way. Trust Phil.
But he can use magic, so you know.
So he's a magician.
Is it smooth?
Oh, it's very smooth.
Yeah.
As long as you don't go deep.
That's the thing, yeah?
Yeah,
Or don't go too slow.
Yeah. Like, don't let your like scared, like nervous brain overtake your logical brain.
That's hard.
Yeah, it's easier said than done. But like,
Yeah.
remember, you looked at it, you know what you need to do. So now
Yeah.
just trust your instinct.
Okay.
Or just
Yeah, it's
try,
really
like,
slow.
Trust your good brain. Good brain.
Well, I don't even know if I have a good brain. But I trust Phil.
Get it.
Are you sure?
Let's go.
Yoo-hoo!
Beautiful.
Yeah, I overshot way too much.
Yeah, I put in
But still okay.
I put in like one pedal stroke more than I should have.
Oh yeah?
But I'll say this: I didn't hear anything. I didn't like, which means you either didn't hit it or you landed really smooth.
Oh yeah?
And since you hit it, you landed really smooth.
Let's see, ask Hailey.
You landed exactly where you needed to.
Really? Ah, that's because I got the great toe then. To race from a great rider like Phil felt fabulous. And it's time to jump. Oh, headwind.
Two straights ago, I got blown to the side off a jump,
Oh,
which got me thinking. I do have a tip for jumping in the wind.
Okay.
Don't boost.
oh.
Stay low.
Stay low.
Stand up to the jump. Stand up to the jump.
It's not like we can take his tips and magically float high in the air, but Phil gives us the power to break through our limitations we built on ourselves.
Nice. Roll so much faster than Yuka. She rolls so slow. Maybe it's good I could stand to the jump more.
So the wooden one, it's easy, but there's a big compression coming into it.
Oh, she went for it. I got chicken.
It's too bad. He gave us many good tips, but the only tip we could have given Phil in return was this.
Do you know the penguin dance?
Yeah, I've done it. I don't feel like it's that effective. I've done it. It's like
Just the shoulders, no elbows. You don't feel a pulse in your fingertips?
yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
If you want to watch more of our ride with Phil, go check out my Patreon page.
Phew.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
If you've touched a bike in Vermont, you heard of this guy.
Pretty much.